Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1965 Mustang. This one here's got 347 aluminum heads, power steering, also has front disc brakes. We got drum in the rear. And we're going to be taking it down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. If you don't mind, visit maplemotors.com. Got close to 100 detailed pictures, shipping and financing available. If you subscribe today, you'll see classic muscle cars posted every day here on Maple Motors YouTube channel. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, go look around the interior. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? This is a 4-speed car. We have a pretty lady riding with us today. Headliner's in pretty good shape. Interior on this thing is awesome. We're gonna go ahead and start it up, take it off down the road. It is showing 85,000 miles. I cannot stand behind that because this is a 65 model. There's no way I can prove the mileage. Our blower motor's already on for the heat. The radio has been on and is not working. Our wipers, they do work. Smells like new carpet in here, don't it? And it sounds awesome. You ready for that horn? Yes, it works. Let's hit the road. All right, guys, getting ready to take off here. Anything that I see, I will point out in the test drive. We do that with every car on the lot. Let's hit the road. The clutch lets out about halfway there. Just check our brakes before we get to going too far here. We don't want to roll out into the road with no brakes, do we? This one should be pretty peppy with the motor work that's been done. Sounds amazing. Go ahead and get in 4th gear here. Speedometer is coming up on the dash. All of our gauges seem to be working. We're definitely going to stop at the gas station, showing dead on E. So I really hope we don't run out the red light here. And normally if it doesn't come up after we get gas, it is unhooked behind the dash if it's on E. Steering on this thing is super tight. It feels great. You can tell that it was all replaced under the hood just from how new all the lines were. And the brakes on this thing, yeah, they're stopping fast. Threw all my stuff out of the back seat just then. Suspension, not too bad. All right, I'm gonna throw about $20 worth of premium fuel in this car. I'll show you where you put the gas in, and we'll check this gauge. Okay. Let's get these shot. Okay, you put your gas in right here behind the trunk on this car. Let's go ahead and jump in here and see if this gas gauge is going to work. Okay, so our gas gauge is over here. It's what he ended on. Wait for it to come up. It's kind of moving, ain't it? Ever so slowly. We will continue to watch that as we drive. If it comes up, I'll let you know. Okay, we're getting ready to take off here. You gotta put your seatbelt on. There you are. Whoa, we don't want to go out right here. Look what they did to the road. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that to this baby. Gotta keep her clean. So far so good. The engine temperature is in a good running range, as well as the oil pressure. So we're gonna cruise on back towards the lot. Let's see here. Turn signals are popping up on the dash on both sides, so those are still working. Pretty much everything works on this car other than the radio. Steering wheel's not perfectly centered, but the car is going straight as an arrow down the road. It's got nice tight steering. Like I said, almost everything seems to be working other than the radio. Gonna let him get way ahead, but now he's turning, so I gotta wait on him to turn. Let's go, guy. Just kind of smoothly checking everything, not jamming gears. Does grind a little bit on third there. Had a little pop from the car, but I think that's where I gave it a lot of gas. Been done in a second, check it out again. This is the road that's got the speed bump in it. We'll be able to test the suspension on the car. A little bit of a stutter there. And it does grind a little bit going into third. We just went over the speed bump and it was nice and smooth. Trying to check that third gear out real well for you. A little bit of a hesitation when we go to take off though. Yeah, it's grinding every time we're going into third. At first I thought it was me shifting. I was like, well, I really suck, don't I? So I was firmly putting the shifter into all the gears to check that. Let's see. Ooh, that was exhaust. Coming through Brian's Motorsports parking lot right now. Check them out. You can get your wheels, tires, all your accessories done on your cars. You can check them out at Brian's Motorsports on Facebook and Instagram. Whoa. Traffic's a little wild today, ain't it? It's like everywhere I turn, somebody's pulling in. Luckily, I'm just creeping around. Well, I think the test drive went pretty good. Only thing I noticed is third gear's grabbing a little bit. Might have to get that checked out. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. We're gonna go back in here, grab some more cars. I'm actually making test drive videos before we open back up on the 4th, and I'm telling you what, people have been crowding the lot big time. We're not even open and people are up here trying to buy stuff, but we're actually not selling anything. Told them we're closed. All right, guys. If the video's out now, it's already past the 4th, so don't get it confused. Check out the walk around video if you want to see more of this car. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every day. We're gonna jump in another Mustang here in just a moment and take off down the road. You can follow us at maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. I have finance and I have shipping available. We do update our website every Monday with fresh inventory, and we'll continue to do so. We've been here 40 years. We're family owned, and we enjoy our job. So I appreciate y'all watching. We're gonna grab another car and take another test drive. Y'all have a good one, guys. Later.